Hello students, good morning. Welcome to e-tutorial of Binayak Public School, Khajurat, Ayodhya. My name is Jatna Singh. I will teach you today English grammar of class 3rd. Let's study. Dear students, our topic today is gender. The word that gives the feeling of being male and female caste is called gender. Gender, male, female, brother, sister, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress, king, queen, peacock, peahen, rooster, hen, horse, mare, ox, cow, dog, witch. Dear students, I hope that you have understood our point completely now. See you again in this video. Thank you.